What the? The whole street is full of popcorn.
Awesome. I'm eating popcorn until 2050.
I'm gonna sell it and get rich, bro.
I'm already rich just looking at it.
Watch out, I'm selling popcorn too. Crap, the crowd found out too.
Let's fill these with popcorn, quick.
Genius idea, monster.
I'll load it all at once, easy.
Spider-Man wants it all for himself.
No one touches this popcorn.
You're just jealous, huh?
This is not popcorn.
Relax, Doc. I'll be a billionaire with gourmet popcorn.
You want to trick us and take it all for yourself.
Factory explosion, rain of white rubber.
Wait, rubber?
My chance to get rich that went down the drain.
Yeah, the taste was kinda bitter anyway.
And I almost made caramel popcorn.
I'll sell it back to the factory. Profit is profit.
You guys are a danger to humanity.
Bro, imagine frying this with butter.
Definitely, I'm in the wrong universe.